This tutorial shows how to make a continuous band with a 360-degree twist using a line and a circle. Begin by drawing a circle the size of the grid in a 3D view. Go to a right view, choose the square tool, and draw a square like I've shown. Dimensions are not critical. Go to the line tool and snap from top to bottom. Then the Modify menu, convert to Nurbs. Now go to the 3D locus and put a locus point at the top of the line. Select all the objects and group. Select both objects, go to duplicate along a path, use these settings shown, click OK, and ungroup. Now remove the circle, and your first box is your starting point, so you can remove it, just leave it alone. Now select the second box and go to Set Working Plane, click on it, set the working plane, go to Look at Working Plane, zoom in if you have to, remove the box, select the locus point and the line, and rotate 30 degrees. Continuing in a counterclockwise motion, you'll select the next box, set working plane, look at working plane, remove the box, select both objects, rotate again, but this time add another 30 degrees, 60. You'll continue this process until you come all the way around the circle. Set working plane, look at working plane, remove the box, select both objects, rotate, add another 30 degrees. When you reach the final box, and if you've done everything correctly, your final mathematical input will be 330 degrees, because your first line is both 0 and 360. Now you choose Nurbs, no rail, and pick the end of the line where the 3D locus point is. It was only ever there as a placeholder, so you wouldn't get lost when you were doing this part of it. You will be unable, you can't select the last one. Just hit the return key or the green arrow and just choose close these settings. The reason I chose the line method only was because it's your most basic primitive. And you can always go forward, but going backward is difficult. So this would be a ribbon. But if I wanted to make it thick, like a band, I'd choose the shell tool, give it a thickness, maybe a 4 millimeters. Then I could take the fillet tool, give it 2, select the top curves, and then make them round. We could be finished if this is all you want, but with Nurbs you really are never finished. There's always somewhere to go. For example, choose Extract, an isoparm, and just click on a point. Now you have 2 isoparms. Ungroup. Then if I put a circle in here and select the isoparm and the circle, And to model, extrude along a path. It puts a ring around the entire object. You are not restricted to the path of the band. You could choose the vertical isoparm that was created, or you could choose any of the lines that I've just highlighted and do an extrude along a path. Give it a color so you can see it. Then you could perform subtract solids or add solids with this, and you're not restricted to just the design itself. Thanks for watching.